Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing courtesy of Sunseeker. Check them out. Link's going to be down below. This is a Wild Badger 31cc 4-stroke walk behind edger. Oh, baby. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. And like I said, YouTubers, just click the link down below. See what goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. We're about to find out what's inside. And this is what it looks like when you get it. Everything's there. Everything should be easy peasy set up. And the wheels are already mounted. Got that all together. Be right back. Alright, so this is the gas one. You got a little tank right there. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So we got it out of the box. Here we go. It should be easy put together. Yeah, that one. We got some accessories in here. So everything's all good. And now time to put it together. I gotta see if I have gasoline. Alright guys, here we go. From head to toe. We got it all completed. It is gas powered, so definitely check it out. And the link down here. Really nice. So if you're looking for a good edger, this is the one to get. I can't do any work right now just because it's winter. We still got a few weeks left. So I'm going to do a follow-up video, I would say in a month and a half. But we're still a few weeks away. The switch is right there. I got a crossbar here, all installed, all the way down to the bottom. Nice sized tank. So definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, sorry I can't do a full demo, but you know, it's wintertime, so a few weeks. Come back, check it out. Alright, be safe, have a good night.